1 inch, 2 inches, not even, huh?
You can try this side. This is the condition of the
Yeah.
in between the plants. You can try here, near the plant.
A little bit better, but not good still, huh?
Now it's going little down. It's less than 1 feet.
Yeah.
And you can try here in between. Not going deep. So why it is not going deep? So Dharmesh, you can keep the video this side. So this land is very compacted. So if this iron rod is not going deep, then do you think that the root zone of these plants will go?
Yeah, they'll struggle.
They will struggle.
Yeah.
And the water, rainwater, it will also not go deep.
Yeah, it won't drain.
Yeah. So it will drain out. So we'll be losing lots of moisture, lots of nutrients,
Okay.
and we'll be losing the topsoil.
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to put the 3 feet deep subsoiler machine, and we need to cut the land first.
Okay.
And then its land become aerated.
Yes.
Then we will cut the land like this and this, and a cross.
Okay.
And after that, we will put this irrigation, flood irrigation once, and then make the bed. So these are the plants. They can be, we can cut from here only.
You're not going to raise the bed higher than this?
Yeah, we need to raise higher bed.
So it's not going to be a
At
problem
least
for...
maybe this.
Okay.
It's not a problem
Not going to
because
be.
it will not be, water must not touch directly to this plant.
Okay.
So we'll make the furrows here, and the bed will be here.
Okay.
So the water is not needed by this plant.
Yeah.
This plant need moisture.
Yes.
So moisture will come from this
From the
furrow.
two sides, yeah.
Yeah. So the water must not be given like in round shape. Show this. Dharmesh, show this. This is the wrong practice. If you will give water like this, then what will happen? This bacteria of this plant will saturate, and this plant will struggle to breathe.
Yes.
So then this plant will ask some, this insect to come and to aerate it.
Yes.
See, this is the aeration.
Yes.
And by these ants, and these kind of grasses will grow.
Yeah, and they further suffocate it.
Yes. So this is doob grass, and this doob grass is not good for the plant. It is the signal that your water system is not good, your topsoil is not good, and your practices are wrong. If your land is good, then there will be, wide kind of leaves will be there, like this one. So this type of weed will grow if everything is okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So if this doob grass is growing, it means you are doing wrong practices.
Okay.
So we will do subsoiling, then we'll make the bed, and then the water channel will be used for the water irrigation only.
Do you remove the grass when you make the beds, or or do
we-
you just put that mulch on top of it?
Mulch
Cut
will be
it
the
and
best.
mulch on top.
Yeah, mulch will be the best.
Yeah.
And we
Without
will
disturbing the soil.
Yeah, not disturbing the soil much.
Okay.
And the sunlight in India is north-south direction. So this is the wrong direction that we are putting our plants.
Okay.
We need this direction
Yeah.
to put. So that is our plan to make this happen.
Okay.
Otherwise, the whole life farmer will struggle, and they will do lots of labor. Still, there will be no output.
Yeah.
So it is like you hire 10 men, and you are asking that, okay, there is a big wall, and you push it.
Yeah.
So whole day they were working, but nothing will be happening end of the day. So that is the problem with the farmers. They are not understanding the right tools, techniques, and the philosophy of the farm.
Yeah.
So if they do like this, they will be successful farmers.
Yeah. So essentially, you are teaching them to work with nature, not to fight nature.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Work with nature, not to fight.
Yeah.
So there is a